problem space goes beyond simply bringing people on board. It takes a crucial step further by pinpointing the specific barriers and challenges these people face, ensuring the problem we aim to address is clearly defined. So let's uncover together what the define stage is all about.
In this stage, our main focus is to uncover the barriers. This means not only looking at the needs of our stakeholders, but also understanding the challenges and obstacles they run into. To do this, we first approach our stakeholders directly, talking to them and learning from their experience. This can be achieved through individual interviews or organizing workshops to gather their valuable input. It is essential to validate if our initial assumptions are correct and identify the real barriers and potential levers of action for those stakeholders concerning the challenges we are focusing on. By engaging with stakeholders in this way, we can reframe and contextualize the problems we have identified and aim to work on. This involvement of stakeholders early in the process helps us anticipate potential pitfalls and ensures a smoother path ahead. And of course, having this thorough analysis can help us build a solid understanding of the challenges, setting up the stage for more effective and inclusive solutions.
Having identified and assessed these barriers, we are now equipped with a deeper understanding of the challenges at hand. This completes the define stage and the problem space overall, paving the way for innovative solutions. Stay with us as we continue our journey through the Living Lab Integrative Process step by step.